Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do parallel compression with some house beats. And we're going to start off with track 15. That's my drum bus. What's going into the drum bus? These channels. They're routed to the drum bus, so that gives me all of them in one place where I can easily listen to them with the kick drum and sub bass and the instrument group. I like using drum buses because it lets you get your tracks in place where you can work with them. There's my kicks, sub, instruments out of the way, and the drums. Now on aux send D on the return track, I have a drum effects unit. This is my drum polisher, and we're going to go to some extreme settings. So all I did was I just turned up everything to send it over to there. Let's mute that one and open return D. I'll turn this up so you can hear what's happening. The idea is that we're basically going to make a copy of the drum mix, squash it to death, and blend it back in with the clear signal. All right, so the clear signal is here on drum bus. This is using the drum polisher and kind of a subtle kind of setting. Now we're going to make a super smashed one over here on return D. And I'm just going to hit some macro presets to get there. Choppy dry, choppy verb, dark reverb, squash, longer tail. Oh my God, that does not sound that good by itself, but listen to what happens when we blend that super smashed sound in with the dry drums, okay? There's our smashed one. Here's our beat, okay? Kind of crispy, snappy. We're gonna bring in the parallel version. And check that out. It adds like a thickness and texture. It's a little bit like having, kind of seems a little bit like there's more reverb or something, but you just get more of like the body of the drums. And with the instruments, that's all you got to do. Let's hit a couple other macro presets in the parallel processed version, okay? Longer tails, squashed, darker version. This one's called dark reverb. Not too much. So again, parallel compression allows you to get a thicker, fuller drum sound where you're just getting more of the drums hitting you in the head, and you don't have to do it by torturing your basic drums to death. The original drums, keep them nice and clean. It just has to have stereo width, hear every sound in the mix, and basically present the drums in a nice group together. And then you can go to your parallel compression and squash them, distort them, crank them up. If you want to know what I'm doing in that rack, well, there's a link here where you can download the rack and get it for yourself. But basically, there's a high-pass filter taking out the sub removal stuff, surgical EQ cuts. You got the option to do some compression, but this one is bypassed. Actually, we're not even using that compressor. We're just only doing compression in the drum bus plugin. All right. I love drum bus. It's so much fun. It just always sounds exciting. And then we have a channel EQ and some more reverb to really like fill out the sound. Okay, parallel compression makes your house music sound really, really fun. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and you can grab the drum polisher effects unit in a link around the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Knotts. See you next time.